Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a great day. So today we are opening the paper box mini for April, and this is what the package looks like. Super cute. So it says, April mini my paper box subscription. It's time to celebrate you. I like that. If you're unfamiliar with my paper box, it is a personalized stationery subscription. They have two different options. I received both of them. So there is the mini, which I'm opening today, so you'll see shortly. And then they also have a grand subscription. So the grand subscription includes like personalized cards, notebooks, notepads, all this fun stuff. I think April is probably my favorite month I've ever received. So if you want to check that out, I will leave my unboxing video down below. So definitely encourage you to watch it. The grand box costs $28 per month. But I do have a code to share that will save you $10 off your first box. And then the mini subscription costs only $10 per month. So let's get unboxing. But before we get started, I just want to remind you that I do have an active giveaway going on. It ends April 13th, and that is to win 2 of the Walmart Beauty Favorite boxes. There will also be an even bigger giveaway coming up soon. We're super close to 4,000 subscribers, like 70 something away at the time I'm recording, so hopefully we get there soon. There'll be way more goodies than that, so if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, that would make me so happy if you did. If you like unboxing content, I unbox something every single day. But anyways, let's get to today's unboxing. So, the April My Paper Box Mini. And it always comes in this like gold reflective bag. And the grand subscription, that comes in a box that is personalized. I think I actually have it nearby. Let me show you. I don't want things to spill out, but this is what it looks like, and it is a personalized box even. Isn't that so cute? It says Kitty's Paper Box. This was seriously such a good month, so I'm excited. So I'm excited to see what is in the mini. So I almost forgot to tell you about a brand new feature that they're offering. My paper box is now offering a bi-monthly subscription for the grand box. So if you're feeling overwhelmed with all these amazing paper products, maybe you just want to get it every other month to save some money, you can now do so. You'll get the same box, you'll just get it every other month. So I thought that was a great idea for them to do, because I know sometimes people can't always splurge money on their boxes, but they really want them and enjoy them. So now if you want to try it just every other month, that is an option. So I thought that was a great thing, and I'm so glad I remembered to share it with you, because I had it pulled up on my computer, but I'm just looking right at you guys, so I almost forgot. But anyways, I got this bag open. Now let's see what is inside. So when I open it, this is what I see. It usually comes wrapped in this little piece of paper holding it all together. So let me take that off. And the card on top says, hello, happy Earth Day month. Even though every day is Earth Day, we decided that more than celebrating the Earth, it's time to celebrate you. We've included some items to help you take care of yourself, your house, and your wallet. That is so sweet. So this is the card I just read from. I like the sound of that. Oh my gosh, the first notepad I see is awesome. It says Kitty's shopping budget, and then there is a list to put items, and then another column for cost. This is such a good idea. I hope this is focusing. I feel like my last video my camera wasn't as well. Let me hold it closer. I think this is such a great idea, because I am trying to be better with my money since I don't have as much these days. So this will be super useful, and it's cute. Look, there's like the floral print on top. I think that is adorable. So I love stuff like this. Like, I know I've talked about it before, but I'm a big list maker. I like to write things down. I do it every day. Like seriously, every single day I make a list. So this is perfect for me. And the next one looks even more detailed. This looks awesome. Oh, it says Kitty's self-care plan. So this is what it looks like, and then I will read it to you. Again, I am sorry if my camera is not focusing. I don't know what's up with it today. But it says, today I will care for myself by, and then you write some stuff down, today I will accomplish, and there's some space to write down. And then it says, eat some fruits and vegetables. And it has like little pictures of fruits and vegetables and stuff, so you can like check it out there. So that's a great reminder. And then remember to drink water, which is so important. I'm like thirsty as I'm speaking right now. I am not always good about drinking water. Like I definitely drink some when I wake up, and then I move to caffeine, you know, and then you know what nighttime brings. So yeah, so that is such a good idea. So that is down on the bottom. I hope you can see it. And then there's some tips on the side that you can check off. It says get 8 hours of sleep. So if you do that, you can like check it. Take a break from your phone. I'm glued to my phone, to be honest. I could use that. Like when iPhone came out with that new thing that tells you your screen time, mine's horrifying. I don't know if anyone's ever beat me. Let me know if you guys have an iPhone, what's your like average daily screen time? And that says wash your face. That's important. I'm trying to be better about that at night. Put on some clean sheets. I should wash my sheets. Watch your favorite TV show. I need a new TV show. Let me know what you guys are watching right now. Like all I do is watch YouTube, which I have no problem with. I love YouTube. But if you guys have any like Netflix or real TV like recommendations, let me know. And then it says listen to music, buy a new scented candle, take a bubble bath, do some simple stretches, go for a short walk, have dinner or lunch with a friend, plan a visit with your family, start an adult coloring book, try out a new recipe, get a manicure or pedicure, buy something small for yourself, splurge, eat your favorite meal or dessert. I love this. This is so cute, and I think it's necessary. I like sometimes like, you know, you need a reminder to take care of yourself. Like a lot of people are so busy taking care of others, they kind of forget to put in some me time. So this is so cute. I am so happy with this. This is adorable. And there's a decent amount of sheets in here too. I'm totally gonna use this today. I'm gonna start filling that out. And then there's one more notepad. It says kitties around the house plan. And it says, it lists all the rooms like kitchen, living room, pantry, master bedroom, guest bathroom, front, back, and porch, laundry room, and others. This is a good idea because I really need to spring clean like badly. Like I'm trying to, like today I was trying to organize my beauty room a little bit. I still have to go through my makeup. But like, it's a hard task, but this will keep me like motivated if I can actually write stuff down. Oh man, you guys, April was probably like the best month ever for both the grand and the mini box. So what other things? So it could be like to do, like to clean, like cleaning lists, maybe like things that you need to do. Like I know I have a light to replace. Do you guys have any other ideas of what I can do on this? This is so awesome. I love it. And I love it's all personalized, this kitty. These are seriously the best notepads I've gotten from them. Okay, so I'm not sure if I explained this well in the beginning, but each mini subscription, each My Paperbox Mini comes with 3 notepads a month. This is by far my favorite. I've opened plenty in the past. If you want to see what else I've opened, you can look at those videos, but this one is so great. And then, like I already said, the grand subscription comes with more things, like more. It does come with some notepads, but it comes with other things. Definitely check out my video because this month was super cute. But let's just do a quick recap. This is so awesome. So it's Kitty's shopping budget. I'm thinking I'll probably use that more like a grocery list and try and like keep my cost down on groceries and stuff like that. But other things too. Maybe I can put my subscription boxes on there and the cost and like know how much I actually spend a month on them. But that would be a good way to like, you know, go through it and assess what I should keep or not. And then Kitty's self-care plan, which I think is awesome. I love how there's a checklist, which is like ideally like lists, and then the fruit and the water like consumption, that is awesome, along with the tips. Like I can't wait to start using this today because I do need reminders to take better care of myself. And then Kitty's around the house plan, like I definitely will probably start off using this as a cleaning like thing, like what I have to do in each room, because I definitely have some work to do around here. But like I asked already, give me some other ideas. What can I use for this? But isn't this such a cute subscription? I am so happy with this month and with the grand box. I keep saying that, but I love this subscription. If you're into like stationery, if you're into list making, like cute paper, all of that, you will love this subscription. Like, definitely check out my other videos so you can just see like what you get in here. This like made me so happy. I cannot wait to start writing down everything. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this subscription. Let me know if you have any ideas of how I can use these notepads. Let me know if you're subscribed to this as well and what you've done with them. But anyways, thank you so much for being here. Of course, the links to this box, along with the code for the grand box if you're interested, will be down in the description box, along with my giveaway video link. So definitely go check all those out if you have not already. And I am so happy you're here with me. I think I've already said that, but it really does make my day knowing you guys are watching and talking with you guys in the comment section. You guys are the best. I love you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.